speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Welcome to Kashmar NK Vlogs. Ayan, welcome to my new video. Ayan guys, so napagkasunduan namin na kami ay magliliwaliw. Char! Ayan guys, so yun, so nagutom kami and so malamig ang panahon, so we need to drink coffee. So nagyaya yung aking amo na kami ay lalabas at may pupuntahan daw kami magandang coffee shop. Ayan nga guys, so amazing talaga guys. Ayan guys, so ito na yun guys, this is it, pansit. Ayan guys, super ganda niya guys. Ayan, so nakikita nyo naman guys, so napaka native, napaka I don't know, napakaganda ng ambience. And alam mo yun, yung kanya mga bahay-bahay, ayan o, napaka parang ano siya, pinaghalong American style of house. It's made of all woods. Ayan guys, so ayan, samahan nyo kami mag-ikot-ikot muna and after that is magko-coffee na kami. Ayan guys, dyan lang kayo ha. Yan naman talaga, syempre tuwang-tuwa ang mga bagets kasi kami, ayan, so medyo malamig guys ang panahon kasi umaambon-ambon po siya guys. Ayan, nakita nyo naman, basa yung ating kalsada. Kalsada ba? Yo, I don't know. Yan guys, ayan, mahangin. Guys, look at that. It's so amazing. So talagang naano talaga ako, as in wow. Tingnan nyo naman guys. So pasensya na kayo guys, medyo malikot yung aking camera. Yan guys, kasi hindi pa naman tayo professional vlogger, so using my phone only, so hindi ko pa afford para magkaroon ng full cam, yung yung mga pangbigati na camera ba. So maybe kapag sumahad na tayo, di ba? Ayan guys, so amazing yan. Dito yan sa Top Hat Coffee Shop, dito sa may Abha. Ayan guys, so if you want to visit guys, punta lang kayo dito sa Abha and talaga naman sulit na sulit. Bukod sa nabusog na kayo and nainitan na yung mga tiyan nyo and yung katawan nyo sa masarap na kape, is mabubusog pa yung mata nyo sa magandang tanawin. Ayan guys, ayan yung food, super yummy. Ayan guys, the coffee and the crepe, so much delicious talaga naman talaga. Ayan, yung mga sweet tooth lover dyan, nako, akmang-akma yan sa mga panlasa nyo guys, super yummy. Yan, so after you eat like that, so you need to drink a lot of water. Ayan guys, napakaganda ng coffee shop nila guys, as in hindi kayo malulugi. I encourage you to come here in Top Hat Cafe here in Abha. Talagang napakaganda guys, and yung mga service crew is napaka babait. Syempre karamihan sa kanila is Filipinos and I'm proud Filipino. Diba? Alam mo naman tayo, diba? Yan guys, super, halos lahat ng crew dyan guys is Filipino, so I'm very proud. Napakaganda ng service nila. Ayan guys, very very nice place and very nakakaalis ng stress, and the aroma of the coffee is superb, very very nice. Ayan guys, so wala akong masabi, I'm out of words how to describe this place. It's so amazing, really amazing. So guys, I enjoy the food, I enjoy the coffee. Ayan, inabot na kami ng gabi. It's really nice, guys. See the lights and all the peoples. Even though na umaambon siya, tingnan mo naman ang mga tao. Grabe. Ay, nako guys, kung alam niya, muntik na kami hindi makapasok kasi nga fully booked na siya. So sabi nung guards, mag-antay kami ng may mga lalabas ng mga other customers. So yun, kahit pa paano nakapasok kami, guys. So ayan, ikot-ikot ulit, guys. Yan, samahan nyo lang akong mag-ikot-ikot at mabusog ang ating mga mata sa magandang tanawin. Ganyan naman talaga tayo, diba? Look at the fountain, look at the view of the coffee shop. Oh my gosh, guys, grabe, sulit na sulit ang gala namin. Ayan, diba? So yun ang maganda kapag naggagala at palagala ang amo, diba? Pati ikaw mag-i-enjoy din, although nakakapagod, pero at least na ano yung sarili mo, nakakakita ka ng mga something beautiful that you will cherish habang nag-i-stay ka sa other country, diba? Ayan, diba? May pa-picture pa ako ng coffee ko, diba? Ayan, guys. So nice talaga, guys. Grabe. Ako, gusto ko yung mga ganitong places. I appreciate. Kasi parang nakaka-relax siya, diba? Sa the whole day na nagtatrabaho ka, tapos makakita ka ng mga place na ganito. Oh my gosh. Talagang nakakawala ng stress. Ayan, guys. So, balik kami doon dahil yung aking makulit na alaga is nagpipilit siyang magpalagay ng face art sa kanyang mukha. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Ayan yung labasan ng garahe nila. Diba, madami pang tao doon. Very nice place, guys. I absolutely, talaga, recommend sa inyo yan. Wala akong masabi. Ayan, guys. So, marami pa rin mga tao kahit gabi na and umaambon. Ayan, may mga din sila, gift shop, souvenir shop. Yan, guys, kung gusto nyong bumili ng souvenir, ayan, pwede rin pumasok dyan. Actually, guys, hindi lang siya coffee shop, may mga souvenir items na pwede nyong bilhin. Yun, meron din dyan kapag dasalan, may din sila, bathroom. It's a nice place, guys. So, hindi rin siya nakaka-boring. Ayan. Tapos, kung may mga kids kayo, may dyan, pwede nyo silang iwanan. Habang nag-iikot-ikot kayo, pwede nyo silang iwanan dun sa playground na yon na may nakabantay naman. May bayad nga lang. Ayan. Pero hindi naman siya pricey. Affordable naman siya. Ayan, guys. The flowers, the plants are so amazing. As in, I enjoy it talaga. Every time na pumupunta kami in other places, I keep on making video kasi once in a while lang natin mararanasan yun, diba? So, enjoy na natin yung time na yun. Ayan, guys. Nice. The fountains. So amazing. I enjoy it talaga, guys. Ayan. Hopefully, makabalik ulit kami dito. Ayan, guys. So, there's a lot of coffee shops here. So, you can choose what cafe do you want to drink coffee. There is Arabic coffee, there's American coffee. Ayan, yun na yung aking mahal na alaga, nagpa-face, na siya, face art, ayan. He chooses tiger. This little kid is so amazing. I love him so much. As in, it's like my son, you know. Ayan. The app who are making face art are very kind. Ayan. Asim, love you. He's so cute. Ayan. And ayan, tapos na. So, it's my time. It's my time. Char. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Halata naman sa mukha ko, nag-enjoy ako, di ba? So, ayan, guys. So, see you another vlogs, guys. Thank you sa pagsama sa aking mag-ikot-ikot sa Pat-Hap Coffee here in Abhaki, SA, guys. Ayan, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel, okay? Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.